Hey, if you want to edit your screenshots on your PS5 Slim, like in my case, so add some emojis or text, first of all, you have to select your screenshot. So let's say that I'm gonna do this on this one. So click X to open it, then go into the arrows to the right side and select on the edit. And from here, tap on the add text. And from here, we've got the keyboard that you can actually input anything that you want. You can also go to the emojis by tapping on the L3 button or click on the X when you select it on the keyboard. And then click R2, and from here you have to go on the right side one more time and go to the position. So now use the left stick to change position of this text. Click done, and then you can also change the scale of it also by using your right stick. Click done. There you can also change the color of the font and also the font style. Then go to the right bottom corner to click save. You can save as new or replace original. You can decide. And after this, it will appear in the gallery on the first place. So that's it. Right now, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.